What keeps you up at night? For many CEOs, it's the rapid changing world of IT. Costs, mobility, IoT, edge, and security. Let's face it, if you're not future ready, your replacement will. It's all about making smart choices and leveraging opportunities. If IT has you up at night, think smart. Smart3 Data Center, the smart choice. Whether it's wholesale or retail co-location or the cloud, Smart3 offers the best of the best in a future-ready facility. Valpo is often called Chicago's best hidden destination, and now it's the destination for smart executives. Nationally recognized quality of life, an airport, and countless shuttles to Chicago, and it's economically smart. With Valpo's low-cost index and reputation as business-friendly, clients benefit from the 25% cost advantage over Chicago's other leading data centers. 25%! For discerning businesses that look to the future, this data center has it all. And for future-thinking executives that can leverage a great deal, timing couldn't be better. Commit now as a client and lock in cost advantages and custom amenities that come exclusively to our earliest smart clients. Leverage smart and look smart. There's never been a better time to be smart. Contact us for a brief meeting and discover the benefits of being one of our first customers. Smart3 Data Center and Innovation Campus. We do smart.